Times Microwave Systems is one of the most respected brands in the world when it comes to RF, microwave cable and cable assembly. With over 70 years of experience in the industry, we offer the most comprehensive range of RF interconnect products in the market. We continue to rapidly expand our portfolio by addressing defense, medical, telecommunications, precision test and space applications. In January 2020, Times Microwave Systems opened their new master distribution facility in Houten, Netherlands. It supports quick delivery to local distributors and customers. This European-based team provides customer service and technical support and is equipped to complete transactions in US dollars or euros and deliver bulk products within days. From this hub, we are able to offer a variety of Times products with a choice of DDP or Xworks Incoterms to suit your requirements. By ensuring we keep healthy inventory of high-running parts, we are able to supply parts to our local distributors and customers quickly. At Times, we are committed to serve our customers by positioning operations within their local geographies. Together with our USA, China, Estonia and India locations, our master distribution hub solidifies our position as the lead supplier of RF and microwave solutions worldwide. For further details, please contact Ian Finch, Head of Commercial Sales for Europe, or Deepak Sharma, European Distribution Manager.